Welcome back to another Porsche Car Whisperer video. My name is Mason Gilchrist, and if this is your first time checking out my channel, I cover everything Porsche. And on this segment, I'm going to be discussing what does it look like to maintenance your brand new Porsche Taycan. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the maintenance on the Porsche Taycan is going to look quite a bit different than a lot of the other Porsche vehicles. On the other Porsche vehicles, it's every 1 year or 10,000 miles, whichever comes first. Not for the Taycan. For the Taycan, it's every 2 years or 20,000 miles, whichever comes first. So what exactly do we do at each of these service intervals? Well, at the 2 year, 20,000 mile mark, we're going to do brake fluid as well as replace the cabin air filter. The next service isn't going to be for another 2 years or 20,000 miles at 40,000 miles. At that service interval, we're going to do the brake fluid, the cabin air filter, and we're also going to replace the tire sealant. So on the Taycan, there's actually not a spare, but there's this tire goop that if you get a flat, you can squirt it into the tire and then you can inflate the tire to be able to get to your next location. Now the next service, I'm sure you guys can guess, is going to be coming up at 6 years or 60,000 miles. With that service, again, it's going to be cabin filter, brake fluid, and then we're also going to actually replace the brake pads. That's regardless of the actual measurement of the brake pads. That's just more of a time-based interval. With this interval, it is said that we're going to be replacing the brake pads just due to that there may be some kind of contaminants inside the brake pads, and it's more of a safety measure to replace the brakes. And that is what a quick overview looks like of the service intervals on the brand new Taycan. As you guys can see, it's a lot less than a lot of the other vehicles. Right. And with that being said, the only thing left to do is enjoy your Taycan. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you want to, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Little kids, huh?